Okay, start recording. So today we are going to do a guided imagery nature walk. And the reason that have chosen nature walk specifically to guide you on is because there's been a lot of research showing that being in nature really helps to reduce stress, reduces your blood pressure, can help you feel more creative, and while it's most effective actually being in nature, submersed in nature, they call it forest bathing, you might have heard. Um, Science has also found that it can be effective as well just looking at nature. So that might be looking out your window, but also just looking at a beautiful picture, which I'll share for you in just a second. And it can also be doing things like this, just imagining you're in nature. That also has benefits as well. So it slows down your breathing and your heart rate, reduces stress, depression, anxiety, etc. So we will go ahead and get started here. I'm going to shut my camera off and flip to the next slide. So go ahead and, like I said, if you haven't already, get yourself into a comfortable position. Give yourself a little gratitude and thanks for showing up today for this. And just start to slow down. Take a little time to get centered. Take a few deep breaths. Slowly breathing in and hold your breath a little bit, and then slowly breathing out. You might find it's helpful to breathe in for the count of 4, hold for the count of 4, and then out. 2, 3, 4. And as you begin to calm down and relax, see if you can lengthen that time that you're spent breathing in and breathing out. So on your own, try to breathe in for the count of 5, maybe even the count of 6. Allow your body to begin to relax as you start to create a picture in your mind. You can set your gaze softly on the picture on the screen. I have a nice fall visual trail here for you since it's fall. Or you can just take yourself to maybe a favorite hiking place that you like to go or that you've dreamed of being. And let's take a visual forest walk together. So imagine yourself walking on a path through the forest. The path is soft beneath your shoes, a mixture of soil, fallen leaves, pine needles, and moss. As you walk, your body relaxes and your mind clears more and more with each step you take. Breathe in the fresh air, filling your lungs completely. And then exhale, breathing out all that refreshing air. And enjoy the feeling of being refreshed, rejuvenated by nature. Take another deep breath in and just bask in the rejuvenating, the revitalizing feeling. And let that air out as your body relaxes further. Continue to breathe slowly and deeply as you walk through the forest. The air is cool but comfortable. Sun filters through the trees, making a moving dapple pattern on the ground before you. Listen to the sound of the forest, the birds singing, babbling water nearby, the gentle breeze blowing, the leaves shifting and swaying in the tree with the soft wind, the sound of leaves underneath your feet as you walk. Notice how your body relaxes more and more as you walk and become more immersed in this nature. Count your steps and breathe in unison with your strides. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue that pattern on your own for a little bit now. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue to breathe like this slowly and deeply as you become more and more relaxed. As you walk through the forest, feel your muscles relaxing and lengthening. As your arms swing in rhythm with your walking, they become loose, relaxed, and limp. And feel your back relaxing as your spine lengthens, the muscles relax. The tension leaves your body as you admire the scenery around you. Your legs and lower body are relaxed as well, feeling free and at ease. As you continue to walk through the forest, you begin to climb up a slight incline. You easily tread along the smooth rocks on the path, feeling at one with nature. The breeze continues to blow through the treetops, but you're sheltered on the path and the air around you is calm. Around you is an immense array of greens. Some of the leaves on the trees are delicate light green, while others are changing colors with the season, yellow and orange and red. Some trees have needles that look soft. The forest floor is thick with green moss and colorful leaves that have fallen to the ground. Tall trees grow on either side of the path. Observe the variety of trees around you. Some have smooth white bark, others are darker with coarse, heavy bark, deeply grooved. Enjoy the colors of the bark on the trees. White, tan, brown, red, black, many combinations of colors. Admire the rough, brown bark of pine trees and enjoy the fresh pine scent and the smell of the season. Smell the forest all around you. The air is fresh, filled with the sense of tree, soil, the fresh stream, the fallen leaves. As you continue down the path, you can hear the sound of water faintly in the distance, the gentle burbling sound of a creek. As you continue to walk through the forest, you're gaining elevation and getting closer to the sound of the running stream. Continue to enjoy this feeling of being surrounded by the forest. As you near the top of the mountain, you hear the stream, very close now. The path curves up ahead. You can see sunlight streaming onto the path. As you round the corner, you hear the water and see a clearing in the trees up ahead. A beautiful lookout point awaits. You're growing tired from your journey. Your body feels pleasantly tired and heavy. Imagine yourself walking toward the clearing and the stream. Stepping stones make an easy path across the stream and towards the edge of the mountain. You step on each large flat stone to easily cross the small, shallow, but elegant stream. Up ahead is a large, smooth rock, like a chair waiting for you to rest. The rock is placed perfectly high up on this beautiful vantage point. Sit or lay down on the rock if you wish. You feel very comfortable and at ease. The sun shines down on you. Looking around, you can see other bluffs in the distance, faint and bluish green, with speckles of yellow and gold and red, beautiful colors of the season showing through. You can look down from your vantage point into a valley with trees and a brilliant blue lake, and across from you, more bluffs and hills. The clearing around you is made up of rocks, soil, pine needles, moss, grass, and fallen leaves. The grass and the wildflowers around you blow gently in the breeze. The air is sweet. A deer quietly emerges from the edge of the forest to graze in the clearing. As the deer raises its head to look at you, you can see its nostrils moving to catch your scent. The deer cautiously walks to the stream to drink before disappearing back into the forest. Squirrels dart in and out of sight as they romp through the trees and race around the clearing. Feel the sun warming your body as you relax on the rock. Enjoy the majestic landscape around you as you feel your body relaxing even more. Your body is becoming warm and heavy and relaxed. Continue to breathe the clean, fresh air. You feel so relaxed, calm, at peace, in unity with nature around you. Enjoy this calm feeling of connectedness with nature all around you. Take time to appreciate the sights and sounds and smells of the forest around you. Feel the sun warm on your skin. Feel the gentle breeze blow across your cheek. Listen to the birds singing. Hear the stream flowing, almost as if it's playing a beautiful song just for you. Listen to the leaves rustling in the breeze. Notice the colors, the many colors that you can see in the flowers, the trees, the valleys and bluffs all around you. And lay back on the comfortable rock and look up and see the blue sky. Small, white, puffy clouds float gently across the sky. Watch them drift slowly by, shapes ever changing. The clouds look so fluffy and inviting, just as you did when you were a child. Imagine yourself hopping around up there from cloud to cloud, like you're jumping on a bunch of marshmallows. Just enjoy being in this peaceful place. What a beautiful gift. Bring your thoughts back to your breath, breathing in nice and slow and deep, and exhaling slowly, deeply. Notice how calm and at ease you feel in your body. And when you are ready to leave this peaceful place, slowly begin to reawaken your body. But know that you can return to this forest visualization in your imagination whenever you like. As you slowly reawaken, keep with you that feeling of calm, peace, and relaxation. Gradually wiggle your fingers and your toes to wake up your muscles. Shrug your shoulders. You can stretch if you want to. And when you're ready, open your eyes and return to full wakefulness, feeling alert and refreshed.